Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 5 hidden Microsoft 365 apps you should be using right now. My name is Jasmine and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or cloud pro fast. Microsoft 365 is a subscription service offered by Microsoft that bundles familiar productivity apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with additional cloud-based services and features. However, the 365 suite is not limited to these apps, but some hidden or forgotten apps can make your professional life quite easy. The first app that you should add to your app list is Microsoft Bookings. Microsoft Bookings is a scheduling app within Microsoft 365. It simplifies appointment scheduling for you and your clients or colleagues. From a professional perspective, there are several functionalities this app provides. First is effortless scheduling. Create a customizable booking page that showcases your services and availability. Set your working hours, define buffer time between appointments, and even specify lead time, notice required before booking. The second is seamless integration. Bookings integrate seamlessly with your Outlook calendar, preventing double bookings and ensuring all appointments are reflected in one place. Then the third is automated communication. Automate email confirmations and reminders for both you and your clients. This reduces no-shows and keeps everyone on the same page. Fourth is staff management. If you have a team, assign specific staff members to different appointment types or manage their calendars within Bookings. This ensures clients get connected with the right person for their needs. The last one is flexibility. It offers different appointment types with varying durations and allows clients to choose individual or group appointments based on their setup. From the client's perspective, this app also helps customers with various functionalities. First is 24/7 self-scheduling. Clients can access your booking page anytime and schedule appointments at their convenience, eliminating the need for phone calls or email exchanges. The second one is clear availability. Bookings display your real-time availability, allowing clients to choose a time slot that works for them. Third is easy rescheduling and cancellations. Clients can reschedule or cancel appointments directly through the booking page, providing them with more control and flexibility. Fourth is confirmation and reminders. After booking, clients receive automatic confirmation emails with appointment details and reminders to avoid missed appointments. The fifth one is virtual meetings. Integrate Bookings with Microsoft Teams to conduct appointments virtually, which is perfect for remote consultations or online meetings. Now let's take a quick demo of how to use this Microsoft Bookings app. But before that, you must know that to get the Bookings app, you should have a Microsoft 365 Business Standard account subscription. To launch the Bookings app, click on Apps option on the left and then look for it. Click on it once you find it. Now launch the Bookings app. Here you create a meeting page or a booking page. To create a booking page, click on Create a Booking Page option. Next, enter the booking name and your business details, which include your name and business type. You can also add a logo of your business if you have any. Next, set your business hours by clicking on Change. Here, you can set the desired business timings for the service, and also you can select the day on which the service is available. Next, it will ask about adding any staff or employees. You can add your personal assistant or appointment setter to the page to look after any unexpected issues from the client side. If you add a member, you can set his or her role. The next tab will ask about adding a service that you are providing and the time frame in which the service will be available. By default, the service duration is 30 minutes, but you can change it as per your requirement. Further, you also need to set the days on which the respective service is available. Next, the app will ask who can book an appointment. You will get 3 options. One is no self-service, which means that you have to set the appointment by yourself. The second option is people in my organization, which is useful only when you need to set appointments for meeting with your own staff. The last option is anyone can make an appointment, which can be used if you are offering a service that everybody can avail. Next, click on Create option and booking creation will start. Now, once the booking page is started, you can share it on your website or on an application. On the booking page on the left, you will see a number of different options, one of which is adding a customer. Here you can add your regular customers. Simply click on Customers and then click on Add a Customer. Now add the details of the customer like name, email, and contact. Next, click on Save Changes. Further, you can add more details about your service, like what things are included in the service. For that, click on Service Options. From there, click on Edit Service. Here you can add further details about the service you are providing. Once you are done with changes, click on Save Changes. You can also add any of the support staff with any customer to assist him or her during the appointment. For that, click on the respective time slot in the day of the allocated staff. Now add the details of customer like name, email, and contact. Then select the staff member to whom you want to appoint. You can also change the time here. After that, click on Create Booking. This is the web-based interface of booking. You can also download the Bookings app on your cell phone as well. This app is ideal for various professionals who rely on appointments, including healthcare providers, doctors, dentists, therapists, consultants and freelancers, salon and spa owners, tutors and trainers, and sales representatives. The second app on the list is the Microsoft Planner. It is a visual task management application included in Microsoft 365. It is a project management tool designed to help teams organize tasks and collaborate effectively, making it ideal for teams of all sizes. For visual management, it uses Kanban boards and task cards. Kanban card is a planner that utilizes Kanban boards, a popular project management methodology. These boards consist of columns representing different stages of task completion, like the to-do list, in-progress list, and done list. Tasks are visualized as digital cards that you can move between columns as they progress. Task cards hold crucial information like titles, descriptions, due dates, assigned members, checklists, and attachments. This centralized view keeps everyone informed and on the same page. You can find the Planner app in the Apps section of Microsoft 365. Now let's create a new plan. Click on Create a Plan. You will find multiple templates for different types of tasks. These might vary based on your Microsoft subscription. Here I have a new blank plan, a simple plan, a project management plan, a software development plan, a business plan, and an employee onboarding plan. If you want to create your own template, then simply click on the new blank plan. Here, I will select a new blank plan. Now name the plan and set its privacy. I have selected public. You can select private if you want to share it with specific people. Next, if you need to add an existing group, simply click on Add an existing group, otherwise click on Next. Microsoft Groups is a feature that allows a group of people to work together in Office 365. If you do not have any existing group, a new group will automatically be created. Once the planner is created, you can add tasks by clicking on Add Tasks. Next, you can assign a due date for that respective task, along with the person who will be working on that task. After that, assign the priority of the task. Click on the grid option from the top menu bar, and from there go to task details for which you want to set priority. Next, select the desired priority. Further, you can also set the progress status of the task. Further, in the Notes section, you can add some description about the task. You can also add a checklist to keep track of things to do. You can also attach any supporting files by clicking on Add Attachments. Further, you can add comments based on the task progress. The planner can be viewed in several different formats. Here you will find 3 forms: grid, board, charts, and schedules. If you want to see task details like progress, priority, or timeline, then the grid is the best option. On the other hand, if you want to get an overview of all the tasks, use the charts option. Further, if you are specifically concerned about the timeline issued to a task, then use the schedules option. Use the board option to look for all the assigned tasks. You can also integrate your planner with Microsoft Teams, which can increase your team's productivity. Project management teams can use planners as they can organize project tasks, track progress, and collaborate seamlessly with team members. Marketing teams can use it to plan marketing campaigns, assign tasks to team members, and monitor deadlines effectively. Moreover, sales teams can use it to manage sales pipelines, track leads, and collaborate on proposals using Planner's intuitive interface. More importantly, the visual boards and centralized communication features make the planner ideal for geographically dispersed teams. The third app on the list is Microsoft Whiteboard. Whiteboard is a collaborative digital canvas that allows users to visualize, brainstorm, and collaborate in real time. It provides a virtual space where teams can work together, regardless of their physical location, to visualize ideas, concepts, and plans. It is a part of the Microsoft 365 suite, which means it integrates seamlessly with other apps and services within the ecosystem, enhancing productivity and teamwork. Not only that, but it boosts creativity and teamwork, even when working remotely. A whiteboard allows you to sketch out ideas, add sticky notes, and collaborate visually, keeping everyone engaged. To open up the whiteboard, search for it in your Microsoft 365 app in the Apps section. Now click on New Whiteboard. First, a template pop-up will appear showing various templates that you can use. On the left, there are template categories that you can choose based on the purpose of creating the whiteboard. Further, if you want to start with a blank whiteboard, click on the Start with Blank Canvas option on top right of this template pop-up. On the bottom of the whiteboard, there is a small toolbar. Using this toolbar, you can add notes, texts, shapes, reactions, templates, documents, links, and videos. For example, if you are having a brainstorming session with your team, you can use a brainstorming template, under which there are several further document suggestions which you can choose. To use a template, simply click on it and then select Use this template option. Now drag it to your whiteboard. Next, using the toolbar below, you can make edits in the template. You can add text to the template by clicking on the text option in the toolbar. The cool feature in the toolbar is the laser pointer, which you can turn on by clicking on the inking option. This is helpful to point out things quickly. The Microsoft Whiteboard can also be integrated with the Teams app, which makes it a favorable choice for online lectures and presentations. Whiteboard's versatility makes it a valuable tool for various users and scenarios. You can visually map out project timelines, assign tasks, and track progress, especially when it comes to project planning and management. To facilitate effective collaboration and idea exchange across remote teams and to create engaging presentations, visualize concepts, and interact with students in real time, this Microsoft Whiteboard app is a perfect choice. The fourth app that you should consider is the Microsoft Lists. Microsoft Lists, within the Microsoft 365 suite, is a versatile and user-friendly application that allows you to create and manage custom lists for various purposes. Think of it as an evolution of the spreadsheet, offering a more flexible and visually appealing way to organize information. It serves as a centralized hub for creating, managing, and sharing lists to streamline various tasks and workflows. Let's delve into the functionalities of lists and explore how they can streamline your workflow. The first is creating custom lists. Unlike spreadsheets with a fixed structure, lists allow you to define custom columns specific to your data. This could include text, numbers, dates, choices, people, user assignments, or even attachments. Get started quickly with pre-designed templates for common use cases like task management, issue tracking, asset tracking, event planning, and more. You can modify existing templates or create lists entirely from scratch to perfectly match your specific needs. The second is data visualization and management. Lists offer different ways to visualize your data, including calendar views for deadlines, Kanban boards for progress tracking, and gallery views for image-rich content. You can highlight important information with conditional formatting. For example, color code task statuses to instantly identify overdue items or visually distinguish priorities. You can sort your list data based on specific criteria using filters. This allows you to quickly find the information you need without sifting through irrelevant entries. The third is collaboration and sharing. Multiple users can work on the same list simultaneously, ensuring everyone has access to the latest information. You can share your lists with colleagues or external users, allowing them to view or even edit the information based on the permissions you set. Also, you can embed lists directly within Microsoft Teams channels, fostering collaboration and keeping project information centralized. The fourth and last functionality is automation and Power Platform integration. You can automate basic tasks within lists using built-in rules. For example, automatically send email notifications when a task is overdue or update a status column based on a date change. For more complex workflows, lists integrate seamlessly with Microsoft Power Automate, allowing you to create custom automation and extend the functionality of your lists. From the Apps menu, launch the Lists app, and then to create a list, click on a new list option on the top. Here, you will see a number of different templates. Other than that, you can import a list, like if you have created your own template, you can use any existing one, or you can import an Excel file. To choose a template, simply click on it and then select Use Template option. Now add the name to the list. Set a desired color for it. Choose an icon for the list. It should be related to the purpose for which the list is being made. It is not necessary though. Next, you can save the list to any of your specific list groups. Now click on Create. This will create a list that you can integrate with Microsoft Teams as well. Here you can add a new item that will be a sort of to-do thing. To add an item, click on it and add all of its details. Once you have added the details, click on the Save option. To integrate lists with Teams, you need to launch it from the Microsoft 365 app section. Then under the Apps menu, search for Lists and then click on Add option. Now as a result, the Microsoft Lists app pop-up will open. From there, click on Add to Team option. This might take a while. Next, add the channel of the teams with which you want to integrate lists. Once you are done, click on Set up a tab, and the Microsoft list will be integrated with your desired Teams channel. The fifth hidden app on the list is Microsoft Delve. Microsoft Delve is a cloud-based service within the Microsoft 365 suite that helps users manage their work and find relevant information. It is designed to be a personal work assistant, helping you stay organized and focused on the work that matters most, while ensuring that your information remains secure and private within your organization. Delve cuts through information overload. It helps you find what you need quickly and even exposes you to content you might have missed, keeping you in the loop. Now to get an insight into Microsoft Delve, let's log into the 365 account. Now click on All Apps in the Apps section of 365. Once logged in, you can see there are some card-shaped document templates that you can use once you click on Me option from the left pane. Here on left, my contact details are mentioned as well. At the bottom of the page, you will see some users who are members of your organization. These can also be the users which you have added who are working with you on different documents. Now, if you want to see files shared by any member of the organization, simply click on the user and it will show you all the files attached by the user. Below their contact information, their schedule is also given, which could really help in making an appointment or assigning a task. Delve is a valuable tool for anyone who uses Microsoft 365 for work, and it is ideal for researchers, writers, and analysts as they can use Delve to discover relevant data and insights. Apart from that, Delve can play a vital role for project managers as they can stay on top of project documents, identify collaborators, and track progress through Delve's personalized feed. Delve promotes collaboration by helping team members discover colleagues' expertise and relevant project documents. That's it for today's video. I have explained all the 5 hidden Microsoft 365 apps that everyone should use. Let me know in the comments about this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.